Welcome again to part 2. In our part 1, we have shown how we needed to install frames for the sliding door. We got big and heavy sliding glass doors from the vendor, and we got ready to install those glass doors. Some of the doors, I needed to remove the existing soft fits from the post. That way the door frame will fit perfectly. These are other door frames we are installing. These are going to follow the same steps as the ones that we did in part 1 of our video. Important note, the frame should be square and level. Top portion of the frame is a fixed panel, so you don't need to do anything for that. And we just need to fit the panel on the bottom of the frame and screw them together. These doors are really heavy. You need few additional people support to carry and install. We used these glass suctioning cups to lift the glass doors. It was very easy. As you see here, place the door on the nearest spot of the track. Lift it, top goes first and bottom. Install the inside door first, then outside door next. Wheels should go to the bottom of the track. The supplier provided us some foam spray bottles to fill the gaps between the frames and structures. Make sure to scrap the foam after it's completely dry and cured. applied the exterior weather silicone to completely seal the door from the inside and the outside. Installing the fixed frames was not that hard. Once installed the glasses, make sure to add the cover frames for the glasses to be secured and seal them with weather silicone. These are extra fittings needed to protect the door from damaging the frames. This is the cover for the glass door for the end where two doors are going to meet. Lastly, we did some caulking and painting to ensure that there was no space or gaps left to finish it off.
Welcome to part 2. In our part 1, we have shown how we needed to install frames for the sliding doors.